Are you over 50 and wondering how to earn steady income from home without stress, pressure, or complex tech? Then stay tuned, because I'm about to show you a simple system where real people are making full-time income from home. And you can too. Just click the link in the description to see how others started this month. Hey folks, let's talk straight. Turning 50 doesn't mean your earning years are done. It means you're ready for smarter, low-stress income that fits your life. If you're looking for a digital side gig that skips the tech headaches, inventory hassles, and high-pressure sales, this one's built for you. Today, I'm breaking down a simple path to consistent home-based income by reselling ready-made digital toolkits, things like planners, guides, and templates. One retiree I know started with zero online experience and earned over $13,000 in her third month, all from passive downloads while she gardened. No creation grind, no steep learning curve, just plug-and-play sales. We'll go step by step from finding the right products to setting up your shop and scaling your results. Step 1. Source your ready-to-resell products. Search for PLR or MRR bundles. Private label rights, PLR, let you tweak and rebrand. Master resale rights, MRR, allow instant resale without editing. Popular options include PLR.me for wellness guides, buy-quality PLR for printable planners, Etsy bundles like Digital Resale Vault with 50-plus templates. Start small with a bundle that fits your interests, for example. Meal prep for empty nesters or easy budgeting guides. These sell well to audiences over 40 and can generate quick sales with minimal effort. Step 2. Set up your storefront. No coding needed. Use free tools like Gumroad or Payhip for instant downloads. Upload your files, set prices between $10, $20, and link a Stripe account for 24-hour payouts. If you want extra visibility, list your products on Etsy or Pinterest to attract organic traffic. Create a few product mockups in Canva, showing your item on screens or printed. These boost buyer trust and conversions instantly. Step 3. Bring in traffic the easy way. You don't need to chase people or cold message anyone. Use simple, consistent posting on Pinterest. Share 10 pins per week using phrases like budgeting after 50 or retirement wellness. You can also post helpful snippets in Facebook groups for seniors or hobby communities, linking your shop naturally. If you want to keep things hands-off, use free automation tools like System.io to set up basic email sequences that introduce your products and share useful tips. Step 4. Scale your income. Once you're earning consistently, bundle your products into life kits priced around $49. Offer one-click add-ons like Bonus Recipe Pack for $14, and use affiliate options to let others promote your products for a small commission. Many sellers in their 50s and 60s have scaled this model to $5,000, $10,000 months while keeping their lifestyle relaxed and flexible. There you have it, the easiest digital side door to real, sustainable income after 50, built for your pace and your priorities. Click the link in the description to learn how you can make a full-time income from home using this same system. Your easy income chapter starts now. Take the first step today.